Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I am share how to network unlock Oppo A15 with 16-digit code. Buy 16-digit code via unlock.com for best prices in Nepal. Input 16-digit code. I am already buy from unlock.com server. Now my Oppo A15 Network Unlock complied. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.